Okay, so I have this tutorial from the last video. So let's make a new file named maintut2.py. Okay, so now we are going to learn about variables. How many of you remember that variables in algebra, the variables in Python are in the same way? Just let me declare a variable. Let me name it city, and let me make it um, Kolkata. So now you might be thinking, why this quotation marks every time? Well, the thing wrapped inside the quotation mark is known as a string, and the thing that is not wrapped inside quotation mark is known as a variable. Hope you understand. So now if I print city without quotation mark and run it, here I will see Kolkata because it's a variable as it is not wrapped inside quotation mark, and the variable stores the string Kolkata. So it printed Kolkata. Let's take another case. Here we will wrap city inside quotation marks. Now when we run this, it prints the string city. That's because city is here defined as a string and not a variable. One more thing that I want to tell you is that it's a feature about the print function. So let me just comment out this. Okay. Now you might think, what is commenting out? Well, if I place a hashtag in front of an instruction, it becomes a comment, and that thing is not executed. So we'll learn about this later in our videos. Let's focus now. So let me create one more variable named scientist and wrap it inside means make a string which is equivalent to scientist, one who discovers or has a great knowledge of science. Knowledge of science. If you can see that this is really long, so you can press Alt and Z on your keyboard. So this will come down. Next, let me print scientist. So now when I run this, we see one who discovers or has a great knowledge of science. Now suppose I want to say that a scientist is someone, then print this one. I can do so. How? Let me show you. Let's print a string. A scientist is someone. Okay. Scientist is. Then I'll give a comma and here I'll write scientist. So when I run this, at first a scientist will be printed. A scientist is will be printed. Then one who discovers or has a great knowledge of science, which is stored in the variable scientist, will be printed. Note that this comma, which you have used to print two things together, automatically places space between them. So if I don't give any space, so you might think that is and one would means mixed together. But see, Python has given them a space because of this comma, and this is a feature of the print function.